Yes, Mr. Satya. Question number 49. How should I do
The
this?
answer. So we have to do make a square, and then let's write 5 centimeter, and then how many times does the area increase? So
Okay.
what do we exactly do in this square?
Mr. Sarthak. Mr.
Yes, sir.
Sarthak. How do I do this question?
So if the side of the square is 5 centimeters, then the area will be 25 centimeters.
Okay.
So double side is 10 centimeters. So 10 into 10 will be 100 centimeters square.
Okay.
Then we'll divide 25 and 100, so we'll get 4 times.
Mr. Satya, have you understood?
Yes.
Mr. Satya, let me assume that area of the first square is A1. This is how I've written A. This is A, and then there is a small one that I've written here. If you don't want this A1 or A2, if this is confusing for you, you can write this as A. The first you can write it as A, and the other you can write as B. So whatever is
Yes,
comfortable. I'm sorry.
I did the same thing, but I directly did it. So I didn't do the thing which you did on the left side. I directly found the area and then subtracted both of them,
You
and then
need
I
not.
got 70.
You need not subtract because here it is written how many times. So when times are there, how many times? Then you have to find the ratio. Mr. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So whenever they say how many times you have to divide, you have to basically how many times means that you have to take the ratio. So my first square has an area of 25 centimeters. My second square has a area of 100 centimeters square. The ratio of A is to B is 1 is to 4. Therefore, 4A is equal to B. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Now, if you can understand this, let us try to understand what does this mean? 4A is equal to B. This means that 4 is equal to, that B is equal to 4A. Now, B, what is B? B is the second square area. What is A? A is the first square area. So basically, if you have understood, and let me know if there is any doubt. Basically, what this means is that the second area is 4 times the first area. So the increase of area is 4 times. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Basically, Satya, if you find all this confusing, then a very simple way of doing this question is that area of this is 25 centimeters square. How many times does the area increase if the side of the square is doubled? When I double the area is 100 centimeters square. So 100 centimeters square is 4 times 25 centimeters square. So what I'll say is that how many times? It is 4 times. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
So the simple answer is 4 times. If you find all this confusing, you can leave doing all this. Not a problem. Okay. Mr. Sarthik, how do I do 50th question?
So the cards are the dimension of the cards is 8 into 5, so 40 centimeters squared is the area. So the area of the squared chart paper is 60 into 60, so 3600. Then the number of cards uh, are that can be made are 90. and there will be no chart paper left.
So this is the chart paper. This is the chart paper. This is the card. How many complete cards can she make from this chart? Complete. So 3600 divided by 200. Am I correct? Mr. Sarthak, am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So I need 18 cards. Mr. Sarthak, am I correct?
What, sir?
Is the answer 18 centimeter? It is the answer 18 cards.
So I got 90 cards.
Why?
So because 8 into I divided 3600 by 40.
Why? Acha, I'm sorry. Yeah. Why did I write 200 here? Yeah. So 8 5 the 40. This is 40. So 4 9 the 0. 90 cards. Karthik, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
But then why is he writing what area of the chart paper will be left? Have you understood what he's saying? Mr. Satya?
Yes.
Mr. Sarthak, have you understood what he's saying?
Yes, sir.
See, this is your chart paper. So my chart paper is like 60 and 60 here. Yeah. Now these are my cards. 5 centimeter into 8 centimeter are my cards. Let me place my cards like this. This is 5 and this is 8. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if you try to understand, see what will start happening is that look closely at what I'm trying to tell you. So here, you will be able to put 12 cards. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because 5 into 12 is 60. So this is 60 centimeters. So I will only be able to put 12 cards here. Mr. Satya, have you understood?
Yes.
Okay. Now, again, if you look closely, if you try to understand the situation, this is 8. This is 8. This is 60. Now, if you have understood, if I put cards like these, I will be able to put 8 sevens the 56. So 7 cards like these. Satya, have you understood?
Yes.
Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So basically what will start happening is that you can only put 12 cards here like this. And you can only put 7 cards like these. So 12 into 7. 12 into 7 is 84 cards. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
So, but it was showing 90 for me.
Yeah, that is what I'm trying to tell you. So once you have put these 12 cards and 7 cards, this much space would be left. Have you understood what I've said?
So, but why would there be any left?
Okay.
N-
Let me read. Yeah.
90 was completely,
Yeah.
I mean, 3600 and 40 were completely divided, so there shouldn't be anything left.
So let me redraw the figure and try to explain what exactly is happening. See, do you guys agree that I can put only 12 cards like this? Here I can put only 12 cards. Do you agree to this or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you agree to this or not that I can put only 7 complete cards here? Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because see, my card looks like this. So 12 into 5 is 60 centimeters here, and this is 8 centimeter. So 8 into 7 is 56 centimeter here. I'm only able to, because see, what is happening is that I need to use only complete cards. I can't break the cards. I can't tear off the cards. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So due to that, what happens is that effectively you will be only you only will be able to cover, if you are using complete cards, you will only be able to cover 60 into 56 centimeter square. Is there a doubt still?
No, sir.
Mr. Satya, is there a doubt still?
No, sir.
Because you can't tear the card. They have said how many complete cards. So 6 6 are 36, 6 5 6 6 are 36, 6 5 are 30. You only will be able to cover 336 centimeter square. This portion would be left. And if you want to understand how much would be left, this will be 60 centimeter. And this will be 56 is covered, 60 was there. This would be 4 centimeter. So 240 centimeter square will be left. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt still?
No, sir.
See, Sarthak, I understand your confusion. The confusion is that I can only use full cards. I can't use half a card. So when I use full cards, because I can't tear the cards, this much area will be left. I can't do anything unless and until I tear the card. So here, so for example, how many cards I am using? I am using 84 cards. So basically, if I tear the cards, then I can use 6 cards more. Have you understood?
Yes,
I
sir.
can use pieces. I can tear off the cards, and I can put the torn cards here. Is there any doubt still?
No,
Is
sir.
there any? Yeah. Uh, Mr. Satya, is there a doubt still?
No.
So what will happen is, basically what will happen is, if you are interested in knowing more about this question, basically what will start happening is, you'll have to tear off the card like this in half. Why half? Because this left is 4 centimeter. So what you will do is, you will take 6 cards, you will tear them in half. And then these 6 cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 cards you can place here. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Because if you tear them, this will be 5 and this will be 4. So 5 for the 20. 5 for the 20. And how many cards? These are 12 cards. So if I take 6 cards, so 6 cards would be 8, 5, the 40. 40 into 6 is 240. So this area would get covered. Is there a doubt still?
No, sir.
Mr. Satya,
No, sir.
this is 5 into 4. So this is 20. 20 centimeter square into 12. Again is 240. So good question. Again, very good question. Okay. Mr. Sarthak, 51st question.
So price per 10 centimeter square is 300 rupees. So price per 1 centimeter square will be 30 rupees. Then half a page ad will be no, each page is 15 into 24, which is equal to 360 centimeter square. So half a page will be 180 centimeter square. Then cost per half page will be 180 into rupees 30, which is equal to 5400 rupees.
So magazine charges rupees 300 per 10 centimeter square. So for 10 centimeter square, I'm being charged rupees 300. Okay. The company decided to order a half page advertisement. If each page is 15 into 24, so half page would be 15 into 24 divided by half. Sarthak, am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So for 1 centimeter square, I am giving 30 rupees. And for this much centimeter square, I'll be paying into 30. So 2, 1, the 15. And what is the answer, Mr. Sarthak?
So 5400.
Mr. Satya, what is the answer?
So 5,400.
5,400. So 15, 15 are 225 into 24, 5,400. Any doubt?
No,
Okay, great. Mr. Sarthak, can you read the question number 52? Can you read the question first?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
The perimeter of a square garden is 48 meters. A small flower bed covers 18 square meters area inside this garden. What is the uh, what is the area of the garden that is not covered by the flower bed? What fractional part of the garden is covered by the flower bed? Find the ratio of the area covered by the flower bed and the remaining area.
So is the side of the square 12 centimeter? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
A small flower bed covers 18 meter square. I'm sorry, this should be meter. This should be meter. So there would be some flower bed. We are not given, see, you need to understand we are not given the shape of the flower bed. So I do not know what kind of shape it is, but I know the area is 18 meters square. So this is my flower bed. What is the area of the garden that is not covered by the flower bed, Mr. Satya?
2,286 square meters.
So this is my total, and not covered would be 144 minus 18. This will be, Mr. Sarthak, am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Satya, what fractional part of the garden is covered by the flower bed?
So what do you mean by fractional?
I'm sorry?
So what is the meaning of fractional part?
Fractional part means a ratio. So basically what they are asking is what fractional part of the garden is covered by the flower bed. Basically what they are asking is that you need to find the ratio of the flower bed to the total. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
So flower bed is 18, total is 144. Divide the two and find the answer. So 2 9 the 2 7 the 2 the 9 8 the 1 by 8. So 1 by 8 is the fraction. 1/8. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, is it correct? 1 by 8 is the answer.
So yes, sir. It's correct.
Mr. Satya, find the ratio of the area covered by the flower bed to the remaining area.
So it would be 18 is to 144.
The remaining was 126.
Oh, sorry, yeah, 126.
Mr. Sarthak, is it correct?
Yes, sir. It's correct.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.